Hello, I'm just doing this short video to show you how to use one of our tic-tac-toe choice menus. And the reason that I like this tic-tac-toe menu option is that it gives you choice of the different assignments you can do. So I'm basically giving you 9 different options that you can do, and you only have to pick 3 of them. So it gives you an empowerment over your learning. So that's why we're giving you choice. And this tic-tac-toe is a way to make it fun and easy, but I think we need to have a little bit of clarification. So please bear with me for a few moments and it'll eliminate us having to email back and forth. So first, the directions. Start with number 5 and then make 2 other choices to make your tic-tac-toe. So to explain this, you start with number 5. That's the middle one with the star. And that's basically on a tic-tac-toe board or a bingo board, like your free space. You have to do it. So here in this example, you're going to take a quick inventory of what food you have at home. So that one you have to do. Then to make a tic-tac-toe of 3, you need to pick 2 other ones. So you might want to pick 1, 5, and 9. You might want to pick 3, 5, and 7. These are all tasks. So you would pick those tasks. Maybe you want to pick task 4, task 5, and task 6 to make a tic-tac-toe that way. But it's up to you. And how you pick those boards or those squares is by completing the task inside of it and then putting the evidence of it in that square, and every square tells you what to do. So for example, number 1, it asks you to go to the Food Network website, which is linked because it's blue, it's a hyperlink, and pick one of their recipes to make at home for lunch. Insert a picture of the lunch you made and the link to your specific tasty recipe in the square. So you would just erase what I have in there and insert your picture and your link to the recipe, and I would know number 1 is part of your tic-tac-toe choice. Again, Food Network website, I think it specifically takes you to a lunch segment, but you can do anything from the website. So those are basically the same 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6 and 9 need a little bit of explanation so that I don't have to request permission to see your document. So here, for example, I'm asking you to, in number 6, outline the food sanitation practices using this document that's linked. But first you have to make a copy of it and then link your copy in the square. So what does that look like? It seems simple, but there's a step that we need to do. So I am going to open this document, and first you have to make a copy of it. And I believe it's view only, so I don't think you can even write over it. If not, it won't let you do anything other than make a copy. And I'm going to put JMS student. You would put your name there of the copy of the 4 C's. And I can't spell student. Thanks for bearing with me. These videos are harder to make than you think. So here is my copy. And I would go through and complete it. Okay, so how did I prevent foodborne illness? By cleaning. I sanitized my cutting boards. Et cetera. I'm going to go through chill cook. I'm going to complete the whole thing, and I'm ready to put the link into my square in the tic-tac-toe. So what you first have to do is you have to get a shareable link. And first, we need to make sure that link would be public to me. So you're going to go click on share at the top right-hand corner, and you're going to first click on advanced. And as you can see now, it says private, only I can access this at that point. So I need to change that. And I'm going to click on the little square or circle that says on, anyone with the link can access to it. So I don't have to ask you for permission later because I have the link, I can open it. And you're going to save that. And then you are going to get the shareable link. And I am just going to make sure that I copy that. Control C. See if it worked. And then I'm going to go back to my choice board. And I am going to take out what's there. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to take out all of this, and I'm going to insert my link, and just check it because you never know if it worked or not. I'm going to copy and paste it. and then I have access to it. Does that make sense? Otherwise, it will not let me see it. So you have to make sure, and again, that was silly. I could just go like that and be able to click on it. But basically, you have to make sure that you go to those advanced settings. So again, I'm just going to show you. Let's go back to the document. You go back to share. You go to advanced, change, make sure it's on. Anyone with the link can get it. You save it. You get the link. Click done. Go to the choice board. Take out whatever I had in there, and then you're going to insert your link. I don't have to request access. It's right there. Okay, and that's same with there. If that's too complicated, don't pick number 6 or number 9. Pick something else. The only other thing here is the Sketchupy. There are examples here. I think these are really fun to do. So here is how you can make sketches of recipes. So that's one. That's ramen, very complicated, right? That it needs all these pictures. So different things. So that is an option too. So I hope that you enjoyed the tic-tac-toe options. And if you have any questions on any of that, please let me know. If you can't figure out the whole share linking, I can just request access. It's not a big deal. Just trying to save you the email. So thanks and have fun cooking in the kitchen.